got this at IKEA. Every time I go to IKEA, I either buy chocolate or little almond packages. This is satisfying. Ghirardelli. It reminds me of the Willy Wonka. Am I gonna win the Wonka, whatever. You guys, everybody on YouTube, don't you remember Willy Wonka and that golden ticket? Oh snap! We have almost a half a cup. We're just gonna get it with a little more. Oh, this is really soft. This is really good. Welcome back, I'm Daisy. Going to make protein balls, but I think I'm gonna cheat. Protein balls are just tedious and they take forever rolling like little meatballs. So I'm gonna cheat and get these cupcake liners. Guess nobody's graduating this year, so we can just put them in here. We can always buy those again at the dollar store. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of oats. And this is easy peasy. You just dump and then mix. So 1 cup. Give or take, it's not precise. 1 cup of oatmeal. 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I crushed my own. Dump. 1/2 cup of flax seeds. You can add whatever you like. If you want to add walnuts, pecans, peanuts, whatever you enjoy. Just keep dumping. 1/2 cup of flaxseed. A little shaky shake. We're kind of at a half. There we go. A little extra, no problem. I'm gonna add honey and vanilla. I'm gonna add 2 scoops of protein mix. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 cups. 2 little. I would say this is like a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of protein mix. It's vanilla flavor. Oops.
You can do more than 2 scoops.
I lost the lid.
Because it's not that much. It's right here. But you can add like a few more.
Should I add another one?
Yeah.
Audience, what do you think? Okay, we're going to add another one. Oh! Did you see that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, the ants are going to love that because we're in the outside patio. They're going to love, love, love. We got that. We got that. Welcome back. We have this cute little bear. I'm not going to say where he's from. But we have our 1/2 cup of honey. Again, this little 1/2 cup is used. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Let's just, I think it's gonna be this whole bear. We're gonna have to go get more honey. So this is the only source of sugar that we're adding to it. Oh, I gotta go get a little more honey. But for the time being, this is it. Our little honey guy. See that? We need just a
I just saw a chunk going.
A chunk of honey?
No.
A chunk of something in the honey, right? Okay, something in the honey, just spell in. A dead bee. A wing. It's a dead wing. It's something. We don't know. I'm gonna place this here for now because I don't want a big mess. And then I'm gonna keep the honey bear upside down. When I'm done mixing, I'm just gonna add a little more. We needed the chia seeds. Where'd the chia seeds? Oh, the chia seeds. We're gonna do some chia seeds. These are great. They're organic. Oh, my fingers are sticky. Okay, so we have a little handy dandy little scooper inside. I'm gonna do 3. 1. All right. 2. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is gonna get in our teeth, so you definitely have to brush your teeth when you're done eating these little things because they just get stuck everywhere. Okay, so we did the protein powder. We did the oatmeal. We did the flax. Last but not least, peanut butter. Oh, I think he's brand new. Oh, is this the kind that you have to mix? Yeah. No, not really. This is delicious. Just wait until you taste this. I am not cleaning this because why? I'm just gonna add it to the honey that's in this little mix. Let me see, do I have to mix this? No, no mixing. I didn't go prepared, so this is just, whoa. Peanut. Some people spray their little scooper with Pam spray, which helps you get it all out. But look, this is really effortless. It's all coming out. And now we start to mix. I used 1/2 cup of peanut butter. If you want more peanut butter flavoring, add a little more. This is like really all up to you. It's a matter of preference, what you like. So now we just mix. And like I said, you can roll them into little balls like you're making meatballs, but I am not doing that today. I found my cake liner and these little cups, and we're just gonna utilize them. This way it's one less thing in my little cupboard. We still have to add a little more honey, whatever comes down. This is easy peasy, everybody loves these. Again, a quick dessert with protein, edible, very transportable, protein, honey, chocolate. You can add walnuts if you like, peanuts, almonds, crush them of course, because you don't want to bite into such a big chunk. So see how easily it incorporates together, and it's already getting formed. I guess the hot weather is helping. The peanut butter is not hard. It's helping a lot. How many are there? 100! So you guys can still graduate and I'll still have some. Okay. Just 100. Certainly not going to use 100 today. Does anybody know why these pans get so dirty? I mean, I do wash them, but I don't know, I just can't manage to keep them clean.
Time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space. Thinking about you.
So what you do is, you can, like I said before, you can roll them up into little meatball shapes, really cute, put them in a Tupperware, refrigerate them, no problem. Or you can do what I'm doing today. I'm gonna use a tablespoon, and I'm gonna help myself with another little one and just put it in there and press down. Fill each one up. Oh, this is way faster than making little meatballs. Not only that, but it gets stuck in your skin. Oh my gosh, this just sped up the process. I may make these more frequently. Yay! From the audience. Just keep filling. I'm just gonna try to make this whole container, and then if I have any extra, I will go and add more. I thought I was gonna use a tablespoon, a teaspoon, but.
No.
Hey guys, for more flavoring, I would add vanilla, maybe even coconut oil if you have. Makes it a little greasier, but
Coconut flakes?
great flavoring. Coconut flakes. Oh wow. Next time I'm gonna add coconut flakes. I think I'll buy it organic because the one you see in the store just kind of like weirds me out. I think I prefer organic for some reason. Not everybody likes coconut, but you can. Let's continue. I'm gonna refill that one when I'm done. I'm just gonna try to divvy this all up. Let's make 2 trays. Oh, we're almost there. So what you do is you refrigerate it for approximately half an hour to an hour, or you can freeze it, but then it's a little hard to bite. Defrost it just a little before you sink your teeth on it. Super good. Super tasty. Again, this is another great, quick and easy little dessert that you can use to bring to groups, parties. Let me add a little more. Which one is missing? This one is lacking. This one is a little empty. And what's great about this recipe is you don't have to bake and heat up your house in the summer. Because who wants to heat their house in the summer? Okay, now I'm going to flatten these just a little bit to see if I need to add a little extra. Oh, that one got stuck. Yep. Oh, that one's lacking. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more to this one. Add a little more to this one.
You got some in here.
Oh my gosh, I got some in the candle. Oh, I hear little people outside. It's so nice to hear little people. So as you can see, this is quite easy. No mistakes. Any mistake, you just shove a little extra inside another little cupcake liner. Add a little more. Keep flattening it. Once they're done and you have them kind of chilled, you can place these in a Tupperware and store them airtight. I would keep them in the refrigerator.
How long do they last?
I would think only like 3 or 4 days, or maybe 4, or I guess maybe a week, but I wouldn't keep them outside because the heat of the weather may make the oatmeal a little rancid or something, or your nuts too. They won't last 3 or 4 days. All right, camera person, which one needs more?
This one.
Oh, okay, camera person.
This one.
Okay, let's keep adding.
And that one. And these.
We have enough to make a few more, but I guess I could keep just filling and pressing.
Yeah, just fill.
Just keep pressing.
Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop.